Why does your scanner show the P0085 engine code? What does it mean? P0085 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust valve control, solenoid circuit low bank 2. The P0085 engine code indicates that ECM or PCM has detected an abnormally low voltage reading in the electrical circuit responsible for controlling the variable valve timing (VVT) solenoid on the exhaust side of engine bank 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty exhaust valve control solenoid, damaged or corroded wiring, bad electrical connections, low or contaminated engine oil, failed ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Toyota, and Hyundai. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.